안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. In today's nail art, I'm showing you guys how I did my Chimmy inspired nail art. For my base, I applied a pastel purple shade. Now I'm using a white acrylic paint and a nail art brush to paint Chimmy. After letting that to dry, I'm applying another layer of paint. After that, I'm painting it with a bright yellow shade. Let it to dry again, and I'm applying another layer of yellow. Then I'm painting it over with white for Chimmy's face. Now let's add the ears. And I also did the outline. Then after that, I'm applying a thick layer of top coat to smoothen the surface. Then let that dry completely. Then I added Chimmy's facial features. After letting it to dry, I'm applying another thick layer of top coat. For the rest of my nails, I'm doing a dry brush design with black, white, yellow, and pink. Then apply top coat. And that's how I did my BT21 Chimmy nail art. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Which BT21 character would you want me to do next? If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram for the latest updates. 그게 오늘이야 여러분. 비디오 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕.